Welcome back to Your Future Knowledge. Today we're venturing into the vast, mysterious expanse of the cosmos as we count down the top 5 unsolved mysteries of the universe. These are the puzzles that have astronomers, physicists, and space enthusiasts scratching their heads. So let's blast off into this cosmic conundrum. First up, the enigmatic duo, dark matter and dark energy. Despite making up the strong majority of the total mass energy content of the universe, they remain invisible and undetectable by conventional means. What are they? How do they influence the universe? They make up 95% of the universe, and yet we can't see them, touch them, or invite them over for tea. They're the ultimate celestial party crashers, everywhere, but totally invisible. Next, we ponder over the Fermi Paradox. With billions of stars in the Milky Way, and many potentially hosting habitable planets, why haven't we found any signs of alien life? Where is everybody? This paradox challenges our understanding of life in the universe and whether we are truly alone. Talk about feeling ghosted by the universe. Number 3, black holes, the universe's ultimate mystery machines. We know they're out there, gobbling up stars like cosmic Pac-Men, but what's going on inside? And what lies beyond the event horizon? These questions bend the very fabric of our understanding of physics. It's the ultimate do not enter sign of the cosmos. Next up, the origin of cosmic rays. Cosmic rays, high-energy particles zooming through space, strike Earth constantly. But their origin? That's a cosmic whodunit. Are they ejected by supernovae, pulsars? Or maybe cosmic alien cat head DJs playing their tunes too loud? Probably not. I guess the universe keeps us guessing. And finally, what is the shape of our universe? Is it flat, spherical, or shaped like a saddle? The universe's geometry is still a hotly debated topic with implications for its ultimate fate. Will it expand forever, collapse, or rip itself apart? The shape holds the clue. And there you have it, the top 5 unsolved mysteries that continue to perplex and fascinate us. Be sure to comment on which one mystifies you the most, and give us your theories. Also, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Until next time, keep looking up and keep looking out for more fascinating videos from Your Future Knowledge. Goodbye.